What's up everyone, my name is Alex Costa and somehow we made it to October of 2020, which means No Shave November is next. Now, if you're trying to grow your facial hair and a nice beard, then I got you covered with today's video because I'm gonna teach you exactly how to grow more facial hair, how to grow a nice beard as fast and as long and as healthy as possible. Look, I've had a crazy beard before. I actually just trimmed today really short, just shorter than usual. It takes some work to get it right. You know, at the moment, I'm growing out my hair, as you can tell, and to be honest, the process is pretty similar. So I'm learning a lot from this experiment here. And if you're new on this channel, we talk about men's fashion, hair, grooming, fitness, dating. I am here to help you as much as possible. So click that subscribe button below. Join the family of close to 3 million subscribers. So the first thing that you need to do to get a nice full beard is you need to make a commitment, right? You need to push through and go through the whole process. You can't be expecting your beard to grow and look amazing and flowy all of a sudden. So basically what I'm saying is you have to get your mentality right before you even start doing it, because if you're gonna give up at first sight, then you might as well not even do it. It's a little bit of a process. You know, you have the uneven growth, you have slow growth sometimes, itching once in a while. It's gonna happen, it's normal, but you cannot give up halfway through. Again, pretty similar to growing this thing out, because sometimes I just want to buzz it off right away. Just enjoy the process. You know, it's gonna look a little awkward once in a while, but it's okay. Just let it grow. So whenever you get that urge, whether it's a big urge or a tiny urge to shave, stop yourself and remember the ultimate goal. It's gonna look a little awkward for sure. That happens to everyone, but just think of your goal. Just think of the final phase when it looks longer, when it looks exactly how you want it to look. It's gonna take a little while, but it will get there. So don't give up. The next thing you need to do to make sure that you're growing a healthy beard is stop applying so many products. There's always a lot of guys who are like, all right, I want my beard to grow, so I'm gonna put this oil and this thing and this conditioner and this moisturizer, then I'm gonna exfoliate it. I'm like, all right, I get what you're trying to do, but it's too much. If you apply too many products, your beard is gonna be too oily or too dry. It's gonna absorb all of those chemicals, and that can't be good for your beard all the time. And the reality is, your beard is not gonna grow overnight just because you put a really expensive oil or 5 different oils into your beard. It takes a while, and you have to be patient. I'm all for beard oils. I'm all for creams to make sure that you're styling it if it's getting to that length, but just don't go overboard. That's not how it works. The next tip that I have for you guys is work out, because that is going to boost your testosterone, which means more facial hair. It'd be funny if you started working out because you wanted to grow a beard, because come on guys, that is not the reason why you should be starting to work out. But hey, if it's gonna happen that way, then go for it. At least you're working out and your beard is growing faster. But you should be working out regardless. And this just serves as extra motivation to not skip, you know, your workout days, and more importantly, heavy exercise, you know, like lifting weights, high intensity workouts. Just try to do as much as you can to increase your testosterone as you're working out. And exercise in general is a great way to relieve stress, and your beard will grow faster if you're more relaxed. It's actually a true thing. You cannot be stressed. That's why a lot of people actually lose their hair if they're stressed out. So exercise, boost testosterone, and relieve stress. It's a win-win. Plus, you're gonna look better. You're gonna feel better. That is what working out does to your body. This next tip is something that you really need to do, especially in the beginning when you're starting to grow your beard. Exfoliate your beard every 4-5 days, just to make sure that you're getting rid of the dead skin cells around it. And what that's gonna do is it's gonna clear up the skin. It's going to make sure that there are no ingrown hairs, which absolutely suck, as you guys know. And it's also good for your skin to make sure that you're not getting any pimples, any acne, blackheads, etc., etc. So exfoliate every 4 to 5 days. That should be enough. Remember, don't go overboard with this. Next, let's talk about your diet and any vitamins or minerals that can help you. Vitamins can really help you get that fuller beard that you've been wanting, because biotin, for example, you know, carries oxygen and nutrients to your scalp, which helps hair growth. So I take biotin pills because I'm growing out my hair. Again, it works the same for your beard. And healthy foods like whole grains, seafood, dark leafy greens all have tons of vitamin B. Your hair also needs vitamin A to stay moisturized and to grow, and good sources of vitamin A are sweet potato, kale, spinach, spinach. So eating that and being healthy will definitely give you a boost. But yeah, definitely give biotin a go. That really helps me. I definitely notice that my hair grows faster when I take biotin pills. So give it a go, and I'm sure you will see it too. Keep your beard moisturized. Now, I know I said don't go overboard with the product, but you do have to apply a little bit of product. So make sure that your beard, hair, and the skin underneath is nicely moisturized. You know, I moisturize my face, and that includes my beard, twice a day. Once in the morning, I wake up, I work out, I wash my face, and then I apply moisturizer. And then once at night before I go to bed. And when I apply the moisturizer, I apply it to my forehead, my nose, my cheeks, and of course, right here as well, alongside my beard and my jaw. Just remember, guys, that underneath your beard, no matter how long it is, there's also skin. And that skin needs to be taken care of. That's why I'm saying exfoliate. Make sure that you're washing your face. Make sure that you're applying a good moisturizer to hydrate and moisturize your beard and the skin underneath. Guys, you have to stop trimming your beard. So many guys are like, oh, I gotta trim it, it's gonna grow faster. You need patience. Don't touch it. Don't you dare grab that razor or that trimmer unless it's looking completely uneven and wild and you don't want that, right? Leave it alone. What I would recommend is make sure that you're cleaning up your neck, your cheeks. Make sure that this line is nice and straight if that's what you want. And it's just gonna look so much cleaner, more professional if you're working in an office, which most of us aren't right now anyway. So this is the perfect time to grow a beard. Just line it up, don't touch it, and let it grow. This next thing, you shouldn't be doing this anyway, but if this is extra motivation, then great. You should stop smoking. Nicotine, it's so bad for you, for your skin, for your hair, and everything else, bad for your teeth. And you should also be drinking more water. So as you guys can see, there's a pattern here. By your body being healthy, eating good foods, right? Healthy foods, drinking more water, stop smoking, etc., working out. That is all going to make sure that your beard is growing faster, longer, healthier. So make sure that you're doing that. And a bonus tip that goes really well with what I just said is sleep well. You know, I have been sleeping properly for the past like 2 weeks. I've been taking it really seriously. I have a tracker on me at 24/7, and man, I feel so much better. I've been working out hard every morning. I have been sleeping properly and keeping track of it. This data is insane. It's amazing to have that data and to be able to look back and be like, you know what? I need more sleep, because sleep will rest your body. Hey, I don't like sleeping for a third of my day, but your body needs it. Instead of watching TV late at night or doing whatever it is that you do after midnight, stop. Just get to bed and get some sleep. Guys, good luck on your beard growth, and wish me good luck with this hair too, because it's getting out of hand. Thank you guys so much for watching. I also post on TikTok every single day, giving you guys style tips, grooming tips, so much more. It's at Alex Costa, as well as on Instagram. And you know, we're closing in on 3 million subscribers. It's gonna take a little while, but you know what? I'm excited. If you wanna be part of this family, make sure to hit that subscribe button below and join us. We have a really positive, amazing community here on YouTube, and I would love to see your name here pop up more often. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you again very, very soon. Peace.